Hey everyone, it's Laura, and I wanted to share with you a class that I just released this week featuring the beautiful autumn suite of products. And this is kind of a quick turnaround class. I am extending the registration deadline through this coming Monday, September 7th, and it's offered as either an in-person class if I get enough of a response, or it will just be to go. And if it is to go, if you're local to me, I'll do a back porch pickup. If you need it shipped, if you're not local to me, it will be $8, and that will ship priority mail. The kits will go out towards the end of next week, so probably September 11th or 12th. So you should have them by, I'm going to say, well, it'll be the second full week of September, around the 14th or 15th, 16th, something like that. So let me show you what's included in this class. The class features products from the beautiful autumn suite, and this is the box that we'll make. This is a mini paper pumpkin box, and I just want to point out this beautiful ribbon, the little acorn trinket, and of course this gorgeous paper. It has copper foil accents throughout. So you'll get the supplies to make this box. It'd be a great hostess gift if you're going somewhere for Thanksgiving or just getting together with a friend. It would be a great little gift for someone, or of course just to keep for yourself. And then we'll make 4 different cards, and they all have, of course, a fall theme. They are really cute. I think they're actually beautiful. So you would get the supplies to make these 4 cards, but then you're actually going to get a ton of product. This class is heavy in product. Actually, you're going to get about $23 worth of product. So included in the class will be a packet of these adorable little acorn trinkets. They work well on cards, or of course for our projects we're going to put them on the front of our box. You'll get 2 bolts of ribbon. This is the basket weave and metallic ribbon combo pack, and you can see I used that here in conjunction with the acorn on the front of my little box. And then you'll get a full pack of our very vanilla note cards and envelopes, and these you get 20 in a pack. So 20 of the note cards, 20 envelopes. They already come scored, and so you'll get a full pack of those. These are smaller than the normal cards we send, but they are big enough to be mailed, so you can definitely put these in the mail, which is really nice. You don't need to have the beautiful autumn bundle, but if you would like to add it on, and of course I would if I were you, because I think I just love everything about this bundle. It would be this stamp set and these 3 punches for $50.25. I'm giving you a little bit of a deal on that. If you purchase my class, you'll just pay $50.25 for this. I won't add on anything else for shipping or tax, so you're getting a deal there. If you don't have this bundle and just want to take the class, like I said, the fee is $30. You'll just have to substitute different greetings that you have, but really these cards, it could be something that you would use for birthdays, any thank yous, even a thinking of you, sympathy, that kind of thing. They can be an all occasion card throughout the fall that you would want to send. So if you have any questions, please email me at laura@lauramilligan.com. You can register through this email. Just click on the registration link, and then you'll do your payment that way. If you prefer to just email me and register that way, you of course can do that as well. I do look forward to hearing from you. Here's my email, and thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you have any questions at all. I hope you'll think about taking this class. It really is beautiful, and as always, I hope you have time to be creative today.